Ew. Dakota, I have to wear these tomorrow.
Ew.
It
looks like you got cream or pimp juice.
Pimp juice.
Only the chunky cottage cheese looking kind. Mmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh shit. This broke my freaking webcam. Ew.
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 Yeah.
I wonder if it can be fixed. Ew. Oh my god, I freaking broke my webcam.
Duct tape works.
No, I didn't. Look, it's fixed.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I fixed it.